members, non-teaching staff, and the respected invited resource persons from the IQC, Sarvodaya College, Mr. Robijit Dr, Coordinator IQC, Sarvodaya College, Mr. Raju Soikia, Assistant Coordinator IQC, Sarvodaya College, Mr. Paula Borua, Assistant Coordinator IQC, Sarvodaya College, and Mr. Simonto Tamuli, sir. Before going to the main schedule of today's workshop, we are going to felicitate our respected resource person, and I invited them to take seat in the dais. Mr. Rubiji Dr, please come up to the dais. Mr. Raju Soikia, please come up to the dais. Paula Borua, sir, please come up to the dais. And Simonta Tamuli, sir, please come up to the dais. First of all, we extend our heartiest congratulations to Sarvodaya College for achieving Grade B plus in first cycle of NAAC accreditation process. That's a huge achievement and inspiration for the colleges like us.
First of all, I send my heartiest greetings to all for this occasion. You have known that Sarvodaya College has acquiring B plus grade in NAAC assessment. For this achievement, on behalf of Melamora College family, I congratulations to Sarvodaya College who have done the all works relating NAAC process. You have already known our Melamora College is preparing all documents, all works regarding NAAC assessment. But in some extent, we feel doubt, as told our IQC coordinator. It may be true, it may be false. I have some doubt. So earlier